Thank you.
Hi everybody, thanks for watching, and special thanks to SFS Snohomish Flying Service and School. It's a great service there and FBO. Today I'm flying with Eugene, who is from my workplace. Eugene and I had to have a one-on-one meeting today, so I told him why don't we have meeting in the sky. So I hope you enjoy and he will enjoy the flying. By the way, we had issue with the camera, so this is the only view that's showing Eugene and I. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, flap is up, Phoenix Master switch is on, transponder VFR set, flight instruments all good.
Harvey Unicom 905-220 radio check the clear.
Harvey Unicom here, loud and clear.
Thank you.
Have a great flight.
We do.
Okay, today I have Eugene first time.
Yay.
We are working in the same company. He's working for me. We are conducting the weekly one-on-one meeting here today.
Mobile office for today.
Mobile office. This is really mobile. Okay, let's go.
Go.
Lock and roll.
Harvey traffic, Skyhawk November 905-220, taking off runway 33 from traffic pattern, southbound departure. Harvey.
Okay, takeoff power set. SPD indicator alive, 55, going speed, roll. Okay, heads down, we're on the center. Ooh. Wow. Is it good? I'll make a left turn to the traffic, but there's a Snohomish River. It's beautiful.
Harvey traffic, Skyhawk 220, turning left down, departing to south from traffic pattern.
Okay, climb check, Chris flap is up. Mixture is still in full, lights are all in. Engine instruments good.
Harvey traffic, Bonanza 3435 Bravo, Party
Speed is
33,
good.
left turn out. Harvey.
Keep the speed right here. Okay, check is complete.
What's our altitude now? 1500 feet?
It's 1500 feet.
So that road is 522?
Yeah, that's 522. Yeah, we are too close to the ground, that's why it's kind of bumpy. The air is really warming up now. So this one, it says the 50 and 70 here, right? Right
yeah,
here.
yeah.
So this is the Seattle SeaTac airspace.
they control. If I have a approval, then I can get in, but I don't need that. So 50 is the bottom and 70 is the 7,000 is the ceiling. So 5,000 to 7,000, they're protecting the area.
That's downtown Redmond.
Yep, that's downtown. And this is
cool.
Avondale, right below us.
Okay.
So if we go along with Avondale,
Yeah, you'll fly over my house.
yeah, and I can find my house too. We are so close.
Yeah.
That's the Education Hill.
Where's the...
This is Education Hill. That's high school.
Redmond High School.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. That's the high school. This
Oh,
one
yeah.
is a new elementary school we built. Yeah, that's the watershed that they made, right? For the city of Redmond. That's really wide.
This is supposed to be the new like salmon sanctuary or
Yeah,
something.
yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Seattle downtown and Bellevue. You can
It's
see.
so nice. Microsoft campus.
Okay, so I'll let you fly. Go ahead, so you have control. So when you make a turn, okay, let's make the turn to the left or to the right. So if you make a right turn here, you want to keep the back on this angle. This is a normal turn, so it's like
Okay.
this. But when you make a turn, you have to press a slightly on the right ladder so that you're coordinating the turn. It's just like a ski.
Alright.
If you slide too much to the outside or if you skip inside, you're kind of weird feeling you have.
Alright.
Yep, that's it. And this is the elevation vertical speed. If it's pointing to 0, then you're not climbing or you're not descending. Okay, you can make a right turn again. Now this is going down, you feel. And
Oh, this
see,
is super sensitive.
it is. Oh, mountain is beautiful. And now going up.
Yeah.
So you can do the 360 turn to the right. So watch here and watch here. You're going down. Yeah, that's why the speed is going up. Right? So stay this angle.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh,
Yep, that's
so
it.
going up a lot
And then
now.
going up a lot. It's so sensitive, right?
Hard to control.
Hard to control. And air is always different. Okay, now I'll smoke.
Oh.
Watch here, speed here, pretty much these three. Or this is horizon, right? So to the horizon, you go this way. But you can pretty much tell with this dashboard. And you can make a right turn too. Let's go to the north.
Okay.
So right now we're heading almost west, and north is this side, so it's pretty much this. If you make a turn like this,
Yeah.
you always have a tendency to go inside, so you go this way. So it's the opposite of the skiing. When you ski, when you curve, it's outside push, right? But it's inside push. Ah, it's a beautiful day. Such a nice day. That's a Mount Baker.
Oh wow.
Oh, you're going up?
Yeah, I was dropping right now.
Okay, okay. Oh, you can keep like 4,100 though. This is 4,100 feet.
Okay.
Yeah. You can keep this height. Okay, so let's head to 030 this way. So this is the compass, and this is the compass too. 030 right here. Yep, that's it.
Fun?
It is fun? Good for you! You're having fun. Okay, so shall I take the control
Yeah,
now?
Go ahead. Yeah, that was fun. Thank you.
Was it fun?
I like it. First time ever. So.
Oh, really? Okay. Arlington traffic Skyhawk 22 Sierra 45, runway 34, full stop, Arlington. Arlington traffic Skyhawk 22 Sierra left downwind, runway 34, full stop, Arlington.
They're gonna come around?
Yeah, going this way, that way. That's what we call traffic pattern. Arlington traffic, Skyhawk 220, left base, runway 34, Arlington. Okay, speed looking good. Arlington traffic, Skyhawk 220, final, 34, Arlington. Okay, little too high, yep. Traffic is there. It's gusty. Hey.
Nice job.
Thank you.
9522 Sierra, appear to be flying southeast instead of for the straight in. Did you want to straight in for Painfield?
Yes, it's Painfield to the theater. We are trying to get the left downwind for 16. Is that true?
For 9522 Sierra, just make the straight in. You can turn back to the right and make a straight in for runway 16 left.
Straight in 16 left to the theater. Thank you.
For 9522 Sierra, change to runway 16 right, make straight in runway 16 right.
Straight in 16 right to the theater. So he changed the runway to the. So this side you see the passing. We are going the bigger runway.
The 3 Victor turn cross.
And 3 Victor, we'll be turning crosswind momentarily.
Cessna 22 Sierra, contact tower 132.905.
132.905. Paint tower November 905, 220 straight in for 16 right.
Number 905, 220, Payne Tower, runway 16 right, clear touch and go. On the go, fly straight out, I'll call your eastbound turn.
Clear touch and go 16 right. Oh my gosh, it's a big one.
Big runway.
Yep, this is fun though. Speed looking good. 75, it's a little bit gusty, so we're going to be a little faster. Drop in. Wow, it's big.
Sky 5512 Echo, Payne Tower, runway 16 right, clear to land.
It's up. Full power. Go, speed set.
Payne Tower, Seneca 162 Alpha 1 west departure.
Seneca 162 Payne Tower, traffic in the upwind is straight out for now, runway 16 right, full way, clear for takeoff, well, westbound first.
Straight out, westbound approved 16 right. Seneca, there you go.
How does it work? So what, any plane can land here? Or you
Yeah.
have to be...
You can. Any plane.
Number 22 Sierra, eastbound first.
Eastbound approved to the theater. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Heavy traffic Skyhawk to the theater on right downwind, runway 15 left, Harry. Airspeed looking good. Cigar notch from him. Finals clear. Heavy traffic Skyhawk to the theater, turning final, runway 15, Harry. That's a lot of wind here.
Nice job.
Thank you. Heavy traffic, active is clear.
Fun day. Thank you.
Alright, so it was a very good flight with Eugene, and I'm so glad that he had a great time with me. And I'm also hopeful that you had a great time with us. Thanks for flying along with us. And don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Until next time, safe flight and have a great day.